Buongiorno.
Father Lucas?
Yes?
Hi, I'm Michael Kovac.
Oh, you're the American.
Yeah,
Don't like cats?
not particularly.
Welcome to Rome. It's infested with cats. I've tried giving them names, but it's pointless. A cat won't come no matter what you call it. They do as they please. Anyway, welcome.